Hey, it's Daniel, Benson's Heating and Air Conditioning. Might be time to do some spring cleaning. What's the best way to do spring cleaning? Let's do a duct cleaning. So if your registers look like this, you might need them to look like this. So here at Benson's, we have state-of-the-art duct cleaning equipment. We use the roto brush machine. We go through every supply register and return register. We also remove your old registers and we give you new registers with every duct cleaning. If your system needs it, we're going to clean the coil, clean the air handler, clean the drain line. Your system will be in pristine condition once we're complete. So if you're one of our ESA club members, your discount will apply. So if you're a silver level, you're going to get 15% off of a duct cleaning. If you're a gold level, 20% off a duct cleaning. So don't put off that spring cleaning. Call Benson's today. For more information about our duct cleaning, just visit our website at bensonshvac.com. Be sure to look for the duct cleaning tab.